Africa and your families. And lastly, I pray that God bless this hospital and your staff and the government with the abundant, incessant love. Thank you.
Almost half of my era that I spent for the running of the province is spent on health, and it all goes to this hospital. So to be honest about it, we cannot actually do it alone. So as Father Fernandez has said, anybody in abundance should give the best to those who are in need. And I'm so happy that we belong to ASEAN. We celebrate the cooperation of our countries in ASEAN. And I'm happy that COICA never always here to help Antigua. I know you're doing this to other countries, but here in the Philippines, you are so most welcome. This beautiful ring here will live in our hearts forever, and your marker will be there forever to mark a friendship between the country of Philippines and Korea. So from the people of Antigua and the office of the Vice Governor and yours, the Governor, and you, I say, for the wonderful, wonderful help. Salamat, Gid.